Additional Mathematics PBL video. Chapter 3. Integration. First of all, what is integration? Integration is the process of finding integrals, the reverse process of differentiation and a way of adding slices to find the whole. Factors that influence gold price are electronic traded funds, supply and demand, inflation and currency movement. Firstly, ETFs are basket funds investors can purchase that allow for increased liquidity and the potential ability to spread their risks over a large number of assets for a minimal cost. The largest gold ETF, the SPDR Gold Shares ETF, purchases or sells physical bullion based on demand from investors. As investment demand for gold changes, the price can be affected by the purchasing and selling activity of ETFs. Supply and demand. As with any good or service, increased demand with constrained or low supply has a tendency to pull prices of that good or service higher. Conversely, an oversupply of a good or service with stagnant or weak demand can push prices lower. Next, inflation is an economic term that refers to an environment of generally rising prices of goods and services within a particular economy. While far from a guarantee, rising or higher levels of inflation tends to push gold prices higher, whereas lower levels of inflation or deflation weigh on gold. Lastly, currency is a medium of exchange for goods and services. In short, it's money, in the form of paper or coins, usually issued by a government and generally accepted at its face value as a method of payment. A falling US dollar has a tendency to push gold prices higher because other currencies and commodities around the world increase in value when the dollar falls. Part 2. From the perimeter, we can get the equation y equal to 30 minus x minus pi over 2x. Area of the cross-section is 1 over 2 pi x square plus 2xy. Then, eliminate y using the equation from perimeter and we get negative 3.5708 x square plus 60x. Differentiate the area and dA dx equal to negative 7.1416 x plus 60. When the volume is maximum, we know that dA dx is equal to 0. Negative 7.1416 x plus 60 equal to 0 and x equal to 8.4015. Volume is the product of area of cross-section and thickness. Substitute the value of x into equation of area of cross-section and multiply with thickness that is 1 cm. Lastly, we get the volume 252.04 cm cube. Part 3. Firstly, we can find the range or width of the ring that is from negative 0.2 to 0.2 with the width 0.4 cm and the thickness of 0.2 cm. Next, rotate the area in the range negative 0.2 to 0.2 using equation y equal to 1.2 minus 5x square and we get 0.5152 pi cm cube. Then minus the cylinder of the solid with a radius of 1 cm using the formula pi r square h and we get 0.4 pi cm cube for the volume of cylinder and 0.3619 cm cube as the volume of ring. Find the mass of the ring in gram by deriving the formula of density and multiply it with the price of gold per gram. Lastly, change the currency from US dollar to Malaysia ringgit and the ring cost Rm 1754.24. Further investigation. Question A. The size of my wrist is a circle with diameter 6 cm and my desired thickness is 0.5 cm and width 0.448 cm. From the equation y equal to 3.5 minus 10x square, we get the range from negative 0.224 to 0.224. Find the volume of the solid using integration same as previous slide and minus the volume of cylinder of the center. We get the volume 2.997 cm cube and the price of the bracelet is Rm 14,844.69. Further investigation. Question B. Refer to the table, we can see the prices of the materials in Rm. Using the density of the materials, we can find the mass of the material needed to produce a bracelet and the price is shown in the diagram. I will choose a silver bracelet. It is because price of silver bracelet is affordable and does not rust easily compare with other metal. Silver bracelet are also attractive with its shiny surface. Application of integration in daily life. We can apply the concept of integration in the calculation of profit and loss, calculate the volume, calculation of physics, calculate cost of an item, and the amount of material used in a building. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching.